guys, hello students, I R K Das sir, welcome you all before Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan official YouTube channel. And how are you guys? Hope you all are safe at your home during this lockdown period. And again, a warm welcome to all of you at your new class. Dear students, from today onwards, I R K Das sir are going to start to teach you social study of your standards. So, subscribe the channel, like and share to all your acquainted friends. Now, without taking any time, we have to start the chapter. So let us begin the chapter. And now the chapter number 1 from civics we are going to study. So dear students, today we are going to start the chapter number 1 from civics for standard 8. The Constitution, the chapter name is given here, the Constitution and the need for laws. Today we will study about the Constitution and the need for laws. Then, my dear students, a rule is an established principle. Rule is what? Laws we are talking over here. Laws. Then, a rule. The question is coming about the rule. At your home you are living with some rules and regulations. See, during this lockdown period, the new rules and regulation has already implemented entire the nation, that you may not allowed to go outside your home. You can live at your home. You can be safe at your home due to this from the danger of the coronavirus. We are living at home. And we are trying to be safe at our home. So it's a rule. At your home also there are different kinds of rules. Like at the particular time you have to get up early in the morning. At the respective time you are getting breakfast. At the respective time you are getting meals. At the respective time you are getting to get your bed. Then what is that? These are some rules. And without rules, if in your life there is no rule, then you can't survive your life in easy way. So, the rule is very important, guide is very important, laws are very important to survive our life in proper way. It is very, very essential. So today, at first we should try to understand about the meanings or the definition for the laws. Laws means what? It is the system. Laws means what? It is the system. It is the system of what? It is the system of rules which a particular country or community recognizes as regulating the actions of its member, and which it may enforce by the imposition of penalties. If someone do not follow the rules and regulation, then it can be punished. The people can be punished at your home also. If you are not following your parents may scold you. Why you are not doing this? Parents can punish you. Then it is very important that there is a rule, and it is very important that also that it should be in effect. I mean to say, you must follow. If you are not getting the definition for laws, then you can write laws is what? If anybody asks from you, law, what is law? Then a rule of construction or procedure. What is law? Repeat it with me, my dear student. If anybody asks from you what is law, then you can say a rule of construction or procedure. A rule of construction or procedure. A rule of construction or procedure. From today onwards, if anybody asks from you what is rule, then a rule of what is law, Then a rule of construction or procedure. A rule of construction or procedure. Now the constitutions. Constitution means what? Constitution is an important document lying the country is governed by these principles, and laws are also formulated according to them, whatever mentioned at the constitution. Thus, the constitution is also regarded as the fundamental laws of the nations. My dear student, our constitutions, about the constitution I will speak. At first, we should know about the definition, the main meaning of the constitutions. What is the constitutions? Constitution is an important document, very, very important document. Without constitution, a family cannot survive. Then you can think over the matter. If a family cannot survive without constitution, how it is possible that nations can survive? So, my dear student, a constitution is an important document laying down the fundamental principles, of a country. What is my dear student? Speak with me. A constitution is an important document laying down the fundamental principles of a country. You can write it also. A constitution is an important document laying down the fundamental principles of a country. You can pause also and you can write. Now we are going to study. The next thing is given here, Indian Constitution. This is very important. My dear student, it is most important. It should be always at your mind. What is that, sir? For the Indian Constitution, it is also given at your book. I have kept your book here also. The Indian Constitution, the chapter is given here. So, I have made here a note. Indian Constitution, the total time taken, what? 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. What is the total time taken? 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. How many, sir? 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. Total expenses was 6.4 crore. सोचिए, आज से लगभग 70-75 वर्ष पहले की बात है. Ago 70 to 75 years. Total expenses were 6.4 crore. I mean to say 6.5 crore rupees was expenses to draft the Indian Constitution. Total members were in the Indian Constitution drafting committee. The total members were, whenever जब देश आजाद होने पर थी, मतलब आजाद हो गई, तो ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी का जब गठन हुआ तो टोटल मेंबर्स ऑन दैट पीरियड, टोटल नंबर्स ऑफ मेंबर्स वेयर 389. How much? How many? 389. And from which? From the states 292, princely states 389, princely states 93, and chief commissioner was also one from Delhi, another provinces, from 4 provinces. The chief commissioners were the total members now 389 were. How many members? If anybody asks from you, in Indian Constituent Assembly Drafting Committee, how many members were? 389 members. How many? 389 members. Very good. My dear, the chairman of that drafting committee, was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? You have heard 1 day before, I think on 14th April, whatever passed away, on that day we have already celebrated the 129th birthday of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as father of Indian Constitution, जिसे भारत के संविधान का जनक भी कहा जाता है. हाल ही में 14 अप्रैल 2020 को 129वां, I mean to say 129th birthday we have celebrated. Temporary chairman who was Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Who was the temporary chairman for the Indian Constituent Assembly? Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. And the Constituent Assembly was founded on 9th December 1946 and it was disbanded on 24th January 1950. तैयार हुई थी, मतलब it was started to draft the Indian Constitutions from 9th December 1946 and it was over on 24th January 1950. क्यों कहा जाता है बी आर अम्बेडकर को फादर ऑफ नेशन? Without seeing the book, Indian Constitution, he has already said before all the rules and regulation before the President of India. You may assume. Okay, anyway, we will discuss over it. Indian Constitution, when it was completed, then the Indian Parliament was adopted the Indian Constitution on. It is very, very important day. It's very, very important. I mean to say VVI. It was adopted on 26 November 1949. When it was adopted? 26 November 1949. And it came into effect on 26 January 1950. It came into effect on 26 January 1950. So today, my dear student, we have studied and know something about the rules and the Constitution. Next time we have to study about the importance of our Constitution. In the next video we have to study, and I think you are getting well, and if you are getting you are facing any problems right now, if you are getting any problem, then you can comment under the comment box, or you may ask me a question from the WhatsApp group also. Especially you have to comment below my video, before my videos, and you may get your answer in easily. Thank you. I meet you next video. Tab tak stay at your home and be safe.